Hey guys, on this episode of My Alabama Home, we have fried fish. And not just any fish, but these are fried crappie. And not just any fried crappie, but they're crappie that I had a hand in catching along with my kids and my dad. I cleaned them, and now I've battered them and fried them. And they're pretty doggone good. Y'all hang around to see our recipe and just how we do it. All right, guys, so I'm excited to share with you our fish fry recipe, and we're going to start off just with some vegetable oil, getting it in the iron skillet, and we're going to put that on medium high and get that good and hot. And while it's heating up, we're going to go ahead and get our dredge ready. Just going to put some milk in a bowl, and then we will put a couple of eggs in there. Alright, now we're just going to mix those eggs in that milk good with a fork, or you can use a whisk. Alright, our spices consist of 1 tablespoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper, and a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And we're just going to mix that in with our 1 3/4 cup of cornmeal and a 1/4 cup of flour. And I like to use this little battering bowl. It just makes the whole process so easy. Alright, now we're just going to give our fresh fish a bath in the milk and egg mixture, and then we will put them in the battering bowl. Alright, now that we have our fresh fish fillets in our battering bowl, we're just going to give that a really good shake and get everything mixed up and get those fillets coated really well. Alright, so now our grease is good and hot. I like to get it up to 365, 370, and then start laying my fillets in. And after about 3 minutes, they're ready to be flipped, perfectly golden brown. Alright, we have cooked these babies another 3 or 4 minutes, and that's how we cook a mess of fish at my Alabama home. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching our videos. Like and subscribe and hit that notification bell